Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see electrical machines 2 lab manual for all engineering departments under Anna Institute. This is prepared by Mohan Raj, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we are going to see load test on single phase induction motor. Before going to the experiment, we should know what is single phase induction motor. A single-phase induction motor consists of single-phase winding on the stator and a cage winding on rotor. In the pulsating field, the rotor does not rotate due to inertia. Therefore, a single-phase induction motor is not self-starting and requires some particular starting means. Based on the starting method, single-phase induction motor basically classified into following types: split-phase motor, capacitor start motor, permanent capacitor run motor, capacitor start capacitor run motor, and shaded pole motor. The aim of the experiment to conduct load test on given single phase induction motor and to plot its performance characteristics. Parts required are voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter, tachometer, and auto transformer and some connecting wire. This is the picture of single phase induction motor. You can see some parts of the single phase motor is given, that is armature winding, stator winding, bearing, frame yoke, motor shaft, etc. And this is circuit diagram of the single phase induction motor with loading arrangement and nameplate details of the single phase induction motor. Procedure: connections are given as per the circuit diagram. The DPST switch is closed and single phase supply is given. By adjusting the variac, the rated voltage is applied and corresponding no load values of speed, spring balance, and meter readings are noted. Now apply load by adjusting spring balance and note down the readings of voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter, and speed by using tachometer. The procedure is repeated till rated current of the motor. The motor is unloaded, the auto transformer is brought to minimum voltage position, and the DPST switch is opened. The radius of the brake drum is measured. Image of single phase induction motor loading and image of tachometer, voltmeter, ammeter, and single phase auto transformer, and also wattmeter. This is a tabulation for the load test of single phase induction motor, and this is the tabulation, sample tabulation taken in our lab by the students. Here we are finding load voltage, load current, and wattmeter reading, spring balance S1 and S2, and torque, power input, power output, speed, and power factor and slip and percentage efficiency are calculated using the formulas. Fuse rating calculation. To calculate the fuse rating of the machine in this experiment, single phase induction motor, the current is equal to 6.7 amps. So fuse to be used equal to 6.7 amps into 125%, that is 8.3. So we can use 10 amps to find the radius of the brake drum. You can find the circumference of the brake drum, that is equal to 45 centimeter. By substituting in this formula, 45 centimeter equal to 2 into pi r. So r equal to 45 divided by 2 into pi, we get 7.16 centimeters. Converting into meters, divided by 100, you get 0.072 meters. Formula used here: circumference of the brake drum, input power, torque, and output power, and to find the efficiency, power factor, slip. Model calculation done for the fourth value from the tabulation. You see torque equal to S1 difference S2 to R into 9.81 Newton meter. So in the fourth value, you get S1 difference S2 equal to 6, and radius of the brake drum is 0.072 into 9.81. We get 4.23 Newton meter, and output power equal to 2 pi nt by 60. N means speed and T is torque. So 2 pi into 1455 into 4.23 divided by 60 equal to output power is 644.5 watts. Efficiency equal to output power divided by input power into 100. So 644.5 divided by 840 into 100 equal to 76.72%. Slip equal to ns minus nr divided by ns. So you get 3%. Power factor equal to input power divided by VL into IL. So 840 divided by 2.12 into 2, that is cos theta equal to 0.732. Precautions. The auto transformer is kept at minimum voltage position. The motor is started at no load condition. This is the motor graph, output versus slip, power factor, speed, torque and efficiency. Result. Thus the load test on single phase induction motor was conducted and the performance characters curves were drawn. Application. There are various applications such as ceiling fan, food mixers, refrigerators, vacuum cleaners, portable drillers, hair dryer, etc. Advantage and disadvantage of single phase motor. Advantages: lightweight, compact unit, efficient transmission, less substation required. Disadvantage: high installation cost, not uniform torque, cannot handle overload. Here are some YOS given that is useful for you at the time of practical exam or theory exam. So first question, name some single phase induction motor. Name two types of repulsion motor. Why single phase induction motor does not self start? What is starting torque and starting current of split phase induction motor? Why built-in thermal relay is necessary in split phase induction motor and what is its purpose?